So he's claiming
Put it on my belly.
he could put the grips on with a bike pump.
Dude,
this is how the
it doesn't even reach, dickhead. You can't.
You gotta put your bike down, at least. Or you could, you know, just grab this can of spray paint and just...
Well, no, we have the magical fucking clear coat shit right here. Look at this.
Dude, the last time I did that shit, it dried my grips out in less than a week.
You're full of
Dried your grips out?
It cracked them, I swear to God.
You are full of shit.
That has never happened to me.
You are a liar.
You're like, here, yo, do it.
That's never happened.
You're a fucking liar.
That's never happened to me ever.
Liar, telling me.
Well, I still want to see how this works.
You can't install anything on your bike. Literally.
I still want to see how this works.
I can't do it myself. It's impossible with one person.
All right, so what assistance do you need? Just to hold this?
Turn the camera off. Step one.
Oh, this is so easy.
It is so easy. How does this work? What are you doing? Wait, hold on.
It's so easy.
We are.
Oh my God, look how quick this is. This is so good. I wish I thought of this.
Yo, you guys suck. Okay, give me the fucking.
It's not working.
I quit.
No, don't break that.
Fucking bullshit.
Let's see this. We're gonna update it next week and see if these grips crack.
Dude, I'm telling you, that's what happened the last time I did this.
You're smoking crack. That's the only thing that's crack.
No, I'm pumping this.
Get spray paint in your nose.
What are you doing?
Oh
Doing
my
on
God.
this?
Yeah. Show them how to do it.
Give you a couple sprays. Oops, I put it on the outside mistake. Slide right on.
Too slow.
I know, but I'm not strong.
Take my strong hand. Rideable.
Bullshit.
You're ready to ride.
No, Shawn's way is, wait, you didn't get one on yet.
You know what? You know, I've had enough of this. Ocho showed me that shit and it went on in 1 second.
I don't even understand.
But it's the same fucking thing.
We'll be back next week.
Oh, God. Don't fall now, buddy.
I kind of started late.
Because that's the only way to do it. You had one fucking job done.
I thought you were still on the quarter pipe. Damn, 2 in a row. Oh, I'm so good, I could do it 2 in a row.
Fucking ask me to film it, asshole.
Behind the scenes of the behind the scenes of the behind the scenes of the behind the scenes. Camera, I got a camera makeout. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh,
Yeah, I did it in a dream.
Right, meow. Beer time!
What was that?
There's a mental hospital right near here.
You gotta crash him and then pour it all over yourself.
Yeah, no. I'm the asshole who's got cleaned up.
Good point. Holy shit. Oh. This camera just got whipped and flew across the room. Oh, damn. Is it bad? I don't even know what I'm looking at.
Everything's fucked. It's my fault.
Is the whole thing fucked?
Ouch.
Oh, come on!